Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install Microsoft Excel for free, but please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. So let's start. Open up your search icon and type in the Microsoft Store. Open that, and from here you have to type in the Office 365. Click onto one that has the Microsoft 365 Office, which has the purple icon, and hit on install. It's open button for me because I actually have that one, and from here you can have your Microsoft Excel. Other way that you can do is go to your browser and just type in Office 365. Hit enter and just click on this one which comes up first, and then sign in with your email, phone, or Skype. From there you can have your Excel for free. Here it is, guys. We have our Excel for free. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Bye.